Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a precise niche and the first actionable steps. Define the channel's promise and format so every video answers one clear question. Once decided, create a short content plan with 6 video ideas and templates. Make sure to set up a simple recording corner and a reliable mic. Good audio matters more than perfect visuals. Prioritize research workflow, bookmark sources, timestamp clips, and draft outlines. These foundations let you batch produce efficiently and maintain consistent releases. Now you move into detailed execution. Research each film with primary scenes and supporting references, then craft a tight script that opens with a hook, explains context, analyzes beats, and closes with a memorable takeaway. Once done, map visuals to every line, shot types, screenshots, and 1/3-minute clip cues so editing is frictionless. Make sure to record scratch audio while editing notes and rehearse pacing. This deliberate pipeline prevents rewrites and speeds up delivery without sacrificing depth. Finish by editing for clarity and pace. Tighten cuts, normalize audio, and layer music under but not over dialogue. Once exported, optimize the upload with a targeted title, 150-word description, 3 precise tags, and a thumbnail that conveys emotion and clarity. Publish on a consistent schedule and promote via one reliable platform first. If growth stalls, troubleshoot one key issue. Check retention graphs and audience drop points. Then revise structure or hook. Small changes based on data drive steady improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.